the Panchayat Raj and Drinking Water Department has undertaken 207 mega pipe water supply PWS projects under various ongoing programs over the last 5 years. A total allocations of 35,193.24 crores has been embarked, out of which an annexure of 17,500 to 12 crores has been incurred during the period from financial year 2020-21 to 2025-26. Further, 25 mega PWS projects has been completed during the financial year 2020-21 to 2025-26. The year-wise detail of expenditure incurred and projects completed are included here at Annexure A. B. Certain projects have been delayed due to various factors, including land acquisition issue, negligence of implementing agencies such as manpower and adequate deployed of insufficient engagement of machinery and equipment, delayed in statutory approvals, right to way ROW clearance for different departments such as NHAI, RNB, RD, Forest, Railway, Water Resource and local level constraints. In this connection, penalties has been imposed on defaulting agency and so-called notice have been issued to them. The detail of penalties imposed are enclosed here with an Annexure B. To address these challenges, the government has taken corrective measures, including establishment and appropriate institutional mechanism, such as a high-level committee monthly review meeting headed by the Development Commissioner cum Additional Chief Secretary with Secretary of Stakeholders Department as members, and another committee headed by the Commissioner cum Secretary PR and WD Department with EICs of all infrastructure departments as members. In addition of this district level coordination meeting are being conducted on the monthly basis under the chairmanships of the collector to resolve pending approval and issues expeditiously, and monitoring systems have been strengthened to expedite the progress of works.
मान्यवर प्रश्नकर्ता श्री अरविंद महापात्र।
धन्यवाद वाचस्पति महोदय। प्रश्नटी है, will the Honorable Minister for Panchayat Raj and Drinking Water be pleased to state that A. How much funds have been earmarked and spent for providing drinking water through mega piped water supply projects to the villages in last 5 years? Out of the targeted villages, how many projects have been completed? Will the government furnish the detailed data year-wise? B. It is a fact that a large number of projects remain incomplete due to negligence of project implementing agencies. If so, what actions are being taken against agencies, persons responsible for it? Thank you.
The same question you are repeating. Actually, I think Minister has replied over this question. So, if any other question you have, you can ask. Out of the...
I am the standing member of Committee 9. I know the situation. Now, government doesn't have officers. For this 35,000 crore project, there is one director, there are 2 chief engineers, who are monitoring these projects. So it's a really sad state. And I would request Honorable Minister, instead of blaming previous government, what actions are being taken? And if we blame the previous government, will the current government take action against those people? Thank you.
माननीय मंत्री
Honorable Speaker, Madam, माननीय विधायक अरविंद महापात्र जो प्रश्न करुछंती आमर जो मेकानिज्म अच्छी ए मेकानिज्म भितर आम डायरेक्टर EIC एवं प्रत्येक आमर जिला स्तर में SC एग्जीक्यूटिव इंजीनियर एवं SDO पर्यंत अच्छा ता परवर्ती मुहूर्त में JE पर्यंत अच्छा आम काम को आम सुचारू रूप से संपादन करने अन्य एक प्रक्रिया भी आम रखीचु जहाँकि आमर छोट छोट कम ए मोटर भी केमती चलेब से प्रकार भी व्यवस्था रखीचु ए व्यवस्था भितर आमर जिते अच्छी सफिसीयंट अच्छा यारी भितर आम सबू मेगा प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट जिते बेले हो सही समय आम मेगा प्रोजेक्ट आउ गोटे विचार रखीचु जे माने 5 वर्ष पर माने छाड़ी चली जाए ताकू मैनेजमेंट करने आमे मेगा बोर्ड कि जल बोर्ड एमती एक नाम गोटे कमिटी हेबो कमिटी संगे संगे रिक्रुटमेंट भी हेबो नहले आमे लोकों को पानी दे पारिबा नहीं वर्तमान सुधा जो डायरेक्टर अछंती तांको दृष्टि आमर एबे परिस्थिति गोटे कथा अच्छी आम डायरेक्टर को पाखरे बहुत गुड़े दायित्व अच्छी किंतु ता सत्ते भी आमे विभिन्न समय आमर कमिशन डेप्यूटी DC मैडम भी नौकरी कमिशनर सेक्रेटरी भी नौकरी डायरेक्टर भी नौकरी EIC भी नौकरी एवं समय समय मु भी रोची एवं यारी भितर कलेक्टर सबू व्यवस्था को एक्जिक्यूटिव लेवल रे रखुंट से दृष्टि आगामी दिन में आम ए कम को आहरी त्वरान्वित करूँ बर्तमान जी होठू अधिक आम त्वरान्वित करुचु किंतु मु आउ टिके भी आपण को कहवाई चाहिए एबे आमर जो एजेंसी माने अछंती एजेंसी मानकर असहायता किछिटा भी अच्छी असहायता भी किछिटा अच्छी असहायता यहाँ अच्छी जे मेन पावर से माने ठीक समय रखी पारु ना तेणु करी आमर काम टिके डिले होछि किंतु मु डेडलाइन देइछि डेडलाइन अनुसार आम टार्गेट रखुछु मंथली रिपोर्ट रे आमर आसुछि एवं डेडलाइन टू 15-20 दिन एपट सेपट होछि नहले आम राइट टाइम रे आम पानी दे पारिबो एवं कोनोसी प्रकार असुविधा नाही।
भारतर एकमात्र परीक्षित बायोसार पृथ्वी प्रो माटी को रखे सुस्थ दिए नुआ जीवन धान पनीपरिबा और डाली जातीय फसल पाई लाभदायक अमल बढ़ाए रोग कमाए आज ही जमी रे प्रयोग करंतु जोगाजोग पाई 9937054201 नंबर को डायल करंतु आम सह जोड़ी हेबा पाई आमको लाइक फॉलो और सब्सक्राइब करंतु अधिक अपडेट पाई विजिट करंतु आम वेबसाइट thequiver.in